headlines. Chief Minister Anne Bahrain appeals to those spearheading CAB protest to do proper research on CAB. Protest demonstrations against CAB held at various places in Imphal. And 11 political parties from Democratic Manipur Alliance against CAB. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News, and now the news in detail. Chief Minister Anne Bahrain has appealed to those who are spearheading the CAB bill protest to do proper research on the details of the bill. The Chief Minister was attending the inaugural function of a training-cum-production center of Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board at Lamphilpha today. He further said the BJP-led coalition can see the apprehension of the people regarding CA bill. As such, it is making efforts to work according to the desires of the people.
Opened. Honorable Chief Minister or Honorable Minister office all the time open. Please come forward. Khabar criticize please come to me. Amaram de interview the Pamaga Yalba me and Yangaga, Mayam Sigi to talk to Nuaiza me and encouraged over. Kainom to Gisa Hana yet the Hana at home. How gas lay a quiz the Putoke Yaroi. As one the economy blockade of great how gas pang the queue lepit how little Pasani on data lay. I quite lady was a Putoka Queen send away about the show Putokesu, Ting Baga yet Baga Tau Baga. I quite is Carino Macati, a quick ride, no, so well medley societies.
Minister of Trade, Commerce and Industry T.H. Biswajit, Chairman of Manipur Khadi and Village Industry Board and Manipur Pollution Control Board, L. Radhakishore, were the main guests at the inaugural function of the new training-cum-production center. Chief Minister Anne Bahrain inspected the new training center. On the other hand, Chairman of Khadi Board, L. Radhakishore, said the board is making efforts to make benefits of Khadi industry available to the people of 300 villages in the state.
Khadi village industries na cover talk double laite maramdi koi haigi the hairasi insang na food item the hairasi lokoi loina hari basing lokoi akoi loina mak akoi dry fruit to dry food to na aduga hariba akoi handloom crafts ke loina mak to bayai hojik te koi Manipur ta honorable minister industry kan habiram madune koi larger scale the kashu to bayaro akoi hojik to godaba city small scale the micro level the Lekai the Putuiba Potok Suriba Nomiba, I imadun itself to Nisadun, I Maruptuna, Hairiba, Maki, Artisanduna, Localgi, Veleski, Manga Putuiba Domodo Quinetican people, Madukanana Yay. I go Kadina village industries in Yay.
Tens of hundreds of people came out in streets to protest against CAB at various places today. Women folk came out in streets at Kashampat shouting slogans against the CAB in loudspeakers. The protest intensified after some protesters started pelting stone on the security force, which was trying to bring the situation under control. Later, police resorted to shooting tear gas shells to disperse the protesters. Protest demonstrations were held at Lamboy Khongnangkhong, Uripok Haidem Laikhai, Naurangthom Bazaar, Hatta and other places around Imphal. Protesters blocked roads and staged sit-in demonstrations shouting slogans against the bill. On the other hand, students formed human chains at Loklaubung, Bamun Laikai, Manj Makhong in protest against the bill.
masigi bill sina CAB gi bill sigi nama gi merit khara leir mai hana batara su demerit ni hele ba ai ko gi maru notice ki kangu dadi aduna madu gi demerit na hen matam dam bill sina pass tawro matung da lakad batung gi consequence mayam sing do ai ko yel homi kalo na hujik su lawri mayam ngori 1985 da asam ekode inegi bo mayam ma moi ngasi khangdi na dri ka gino even hujik chief minister riba sanwal masamang na supreme court da mana thagat ki bachi mayam de supreme court na verdict da man yare man sumi this is the kanuna ko gi external aggression in high crib nadra adu hujik khangdi na dri ka gino sine sidi BJP ki khakak da nate sigi CAB gi mayok da leibo khuding mak se manipur amsi north east da leibo miam khuding mana parata amerikani aduna sina asam gi wane adu akoi manipur da ju masi haningai le tholo haibati akoi haibang ngamde
11 political parties have formed a Manipur Democratic Alliance in protest against the CA bill. Leaders of the 11 political parties had recently visited Delhi to submit memorandum against CA bill to the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh. Here's a report.
Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit President Moirangthem Tombi has been elected as convener of Manipur Democratic Alliance formed by 11 political parties against the CA bill. The parties include AAP, AITC, LJP, Shiv Sena, MNDF, NPF, MPC, NEIDP, BJP, NPP, and PDA. The alliance also took the decision to ask the centre not to pass the CA bill. Speaking at the press conference held at Shiropi Hall of Imphal Hotel, the newly appointed convener M. Tombi said that the alliance will urge the centre not to bring forward the much-hated CA bill in Rajya Sabha during budget session and also to exclude northeastern states, particularly Manipur, from the purview of the bill. The protests will intensify if the centre doesn't cooperate with the people of northeast states. He added that the alliance hopes that the centre won't take any decision in a haste as Lok Sabha election is arriving soon.
Aduga puthorpa amadi maduida chanaba yanana buki puthorko matamda notice yobi ganu notice se maduida akoi particularly Manipur se masida yobi ganu haiba potuni aduga masaida huji khoina puthok birakanu withdraw to biu haiba se khoi haibam thokuse dom haigani haibam thokusi masi khoi tangai badrabudi khoi amusu dili da chalaga masi khoi miyam loina khoi withdraw to biu haiba se khoi hanbalai to khongnung se ai khoi choida changsan gani.
It may be mentioned that CM and Biren had called an all-political party meeting to discuss the controversial CA bill last month. However, the left parties walked out of the meeting after the House refused to take the decision to call for an assembly session to discuss the CA bill. Later, 9 left parties launched protests against the bill. Political delegation of the 11 political parties have already visited Delhi, where the delegation submitted memorandum against the CA bill to Union Home Minister Rajnath and other leaders. Nevertheless, the team returned without meeting the PM Modi. Meanwhile, National General Secretary of BJP and Northeast in charge Ram Madhav has said that the bill will be discussed as a supplementary bill on February 12 during the budget session of Rajya Sabha. It may be noted that the session is ending on the following day.
Secular Democratic Front Manipur, which comprises the 7 different political parties TMC, AAP, JDS, DS, DBSP, MPC, NCP and RJSP, has strongly condemned the centre's decision to pass the CAB 2016 today. It termed it the decision as an act of neglecting the future of Northeast people and Manipur in particular. Expressing anguish over the contentious bill, the front has also declared to stage sit-in protest in front of the Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress Committee office on February 9. Addressing media persons in a press meet held at MPTCC Sanjay Thong office in Imphal East today, convener of the front Dr. T.H. Inaucha said centre's decision to pass the controversial bill by relegating the future of Northeast people is against the constitution and it disrespects democracy. It is highly timed that all political parties, MLAs and MPs of Northeast came together to oppose the bill to stop Rajya Sabha from passing the bill.
Marini Haidana Halagasu, Northeast Ladiba, indigenous people, community Masamasa Singida, Hana Draki, how the Sanction Lake represented, I coin a Masiki Tantokno Honoriba, Kudamo and Hada, Assam, the NRC Link View, Haidana Laiba, Madugi, cut off year china base 1950 sida oibiu Manipur gina adugana Assam gina 1970 da oyu kaina sei na mayam am leading emerx da adugu machine dudi hana lotion bi da ba samna da koi Manipur people's protection bill si hana lotion bi da thamna pending da thame president gi SNPB da thame aduga somna sigumba laibaki achouba ising isaugumna floodgate oigadoi hayeng ekoi sida the population floodgate oigadoi ba port ama lamjilak pai che ekoi somnadi tasing ha namthak toba namthak ki langduna north east sibu kupsal laga thamaga ekoi su karim.
President Ramnath Kovind gives away prestigious Sangeet Natak Academy Award 2019 at Rashtrapati Bhavan today. The president presented the award to Oinam O Dhoni in the field of dance and Saugrakpam Hemant, who is a Sumang Lila artist. The president conferred the award to 48 individuals in total. The award includes 1 lakh rupees as cash prize, a shawl and a copper plaque. We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur Private Satellite Television Channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner rupees 1 lakh, first runners-up rupees 80,000, second runners-up rupees 50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and a college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
Manipur gi ahan ba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyam gi seba da leizari apamba service khanbiu. Economy rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobirau 1800-1027-959 amadi 8794613154. Ekhogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
Welcome back. With an aim to increase the opportunities of startup investment in Northeast region and Manipur in particular, Imphal Angels organized Northeast Startup Summit 2019 at Sangai Hall in Hotel Imphal today. Investors, experts and resource persons from other states including Delhi, Bangalore and Northeast states attended the one-day entrepreneurship summit. Talking to media persons, Imphal Angels co-founder Fisher Lashram said that Imphal Angels has been supporting and extending necessary ideas to any startup project in the state so that both the investors and the entrepreneur get equal benefit. They also provide support services to any new startup project to enable the company to compete in international arena.
Idea di phasaba am putok pa yawa but tawdo mi dana tawdraga di natra execute tawang amdraga di natraga mana kitang challenges thengna ko da stand up tawang amtraga di startup sudum fail hoy aduna adugum mayam do yeng kan sai globally compete tawang ba haise hoy globally mak amdraga ju India level la compete tawang ambo hoy Manipur gi na natraga knowledge ki success ne ngasi bokta khoina sum gi khangjaba da even Manipur da gi su Guwahati upar da holai tri yam saying harga di in all this like 10-20 years hoy business story mayam jina su adubo ngamdri haise challenges ma'am lay begini ko but akoina hojik advisor ga akoina kauri Rajesh Swani kai se maje akoi 70 more than IT startup ma invest tawgrabne my company ma'am 300-400 million investment phanga yam chawgrab company ne adum journey do khoj satpa yai adugum bagi expertise mongondi lauraga akoina khoigi knowledge startup sing su do minus scale up taw yaba dan chaw yaba mo.
Kakching Sub Post Office opens Office Passport Seva Kendra as an experimental project to ease the difficulty of the people while trying to get passport. Addressing the gathering at the inaugural function of the POPSK Assistant Passport Officer of Passport Seva Kendra, Imphal Hurailatvam Maheshwari said, people of Kakching, especially those who are very old and find it difficult to visit Passport Seva Kendra, Imphal can now take online appointment for normal passport and fresh reissue. Later, they can visit the POPSK according to the date of appointment. PSK Imphal will give appointment to 20 applicants, of which online cash payment have been already cleared. However, Tatkal Seva has not been made available for the time being. The assistant passport officer also appealed to the people living in and around Kaching to make most benefit out of the Kaching branch of the Passport Seva Kendra Imphal.
Post Office Passport Seva Kendra Kaching habida laibo mafam sida trial run basis successfully launch tawzare. Masigi facilities je koi public sing na Kaching da laibo natana atopa area da laibo sing na su kudongzada ba kari ba ifa da lakbada ngamdarga su Kaching da la apply to bi yagani.
As part of the protest launched by the SSA and Ramsa teacher demanding delay of salary for 6 months and non-establishment line of promotion, protesters blocked the road. Police used tear gas and mob bomb to disperse the protesters. The SSA and Ramsa teachers blocked the road of CM near SO office, who came to attend an event at Khadi and Village Industry Board at Lamfelpat around 12 p.m. Mahud Minister T.H. Shyamkumar distributed 5 Tata Tipper and 26 Tata A's for the first phase of Cluster B Solid Waste Management Thaubal site under the non-lapsable Center Pool of Resources project, with funding of Rs 11.46 crore by DRP, 905 from Centre and 105 from State at the simple event held at MGT Motors at Tidim Road. Minister Shyamkumar distributed 7 vehicles of worth Rs 4.12 crore with 40 from DPR for the first phase of Cluster B. He urged to use the vehicle as their own and to do servicing on time. He said that with the development of world, even waste increases. Mahud department is trying its best to convert the waste to recycle waste into electric and organic fertilizers.
Sumayam tayo, you'll be mayam sing kungsado mayam tingna mayay mayam na matam matam gina tama da kanda koi yana ba kusko to no na mina siya to dai ba hai ba tor mayam su tuna na thamna ba koi kone me su thamdaraga hai ba gari sing asi isa gi nabdi praja gi khalla ka da sabana maintenance to view da hena effective baina to bina kana ba pi do na lamdam asi manipur sin nan ba da bhar ke to pa The
first phase of National Deworming Day 2019 will be held on 8th February in Manipur and the second phase will be held on 14th. National Health Mission State Director S. Manikanta urged to give the child age 1 to 19 to get deworming tablets. Speaking at the press conference held at the Health Directorate Office, Lamfelpat, S. Manikanta said that around 80 of child in Manipur have worm infection, which leads to stomach ache, vomit, diarrhea, enema, epilepsy, etc. He appealed the parents to give their child deworming tablet from healthcare centers, Anganwadi Center and schools.
Masidi da koina karigi damukta akhoi masigumba deworming day si pakhel inon haragba taragadi koini yengma matam de India da leiba khoi state singsi apulmagi oina country gi yengma matam da Ladiba, Yumney Kadegi, Maduda, when the lady hygienic waiba, Sari Taliban Bayam, Angang Sings, the lady of Koi films, the sanitation, when Hojipok, the Solapan in Angang Singsi, warm infestation, Haditin, Labagi, Sang, Siakwadi, Amnawang, the Lepagi, World Health Organization, a young matamda, around Sahitra Mari 0 to 14, 19 Natabada, around young matamda, Kru, Kunitoigumbadi, Indiagi, Monhoi Singsi, Angang Singsi, Tin Nai, Maduna Makoida. Nutrition deficiency and malnutrition nutrition deficiency level maram na makoida physical development mental development asweba kaya ama thengna.
A combined team of Bishnupur District Police Commando and 511 Gorkha Regiment nabbed 2 active cadre of KNF during a cordon and search operation Kungpi Nausen area yesterday at around 5:30 a.m. The 2 persons were identified as Paulan Haukip, 35 years, son of late Jankho Hau Haukip of New Monloi village, and Lungkho Mang Haukip, 34 years, son of late Sonthang Haukip of Kungpi Nausen village. They were involved in extortion of money from general public. The duo was handed over to Loktak Police Station for necessary legal action. We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari. Miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw lobi. Nasimug Lengchin Biroxi, Mobile Furniture, Coacatel near Infall Quarters. The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Manipur ihan hangoin handukzaba Green Can Industries masida commercial kitchen equipments amadi bakery item makhal suna phangiragani.
We're very thankful for Green Can Industries and what they have done for us so far. So together, we think Green Can Industries is the best.
We believe in the service of Green Can Industries.
Green Can Industries is the best.
And Green Can Industries is the best.
Green Can Industries gi after sales services yamna pending hour entrepreneurs in Green Can Industries that depend over yani
We trust only Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best.
We love the quality of Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best.
Green Can Industries is the best.
Adum so mutang lenshin birakuna akupa marol didamakta tanabiu aikhoigi address Green Can Industries Mahangam Lekai SBI ATM building. Green Can Industries for better baking. Welcome back. Congress member Ripun Bora had moved an adjournment motion seeking explanation from the Home Ministry and a statement from the Home Minister over Supreme Court's indictment of Home Ministry on the NRC issue. The Congress members have demanded the Home Minister's resignation. Bora has said that Congress will raise the issue in the second half of the session and would demand the Home Minister's resignation. The Supreme Court on Tuesday accused the Ministry of Home Affairs of attempting to destroy the Assam NRC, National Register of Citizens process from the very beginning. The outburst from a bench of Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi and Justice Rohinton Nariman came as soon as Attorney General K.K. Venugopal urged the court to keep the ongoing work on the NRC in abeyance during the Lok Sabha polls. Meanwhile, the parliamentarians from northeastern states protested against the Citizenship Amendment Bill that seeks to provide citizenship to non-Muslim refugees from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Home Minister Rajnath Singh has asserted that the government is committed to complete the NRC process in Assam within the stipulated time and will ensure that no foreigner is included or any Indian citizen excluded. He also said the Home Ministry wants that the National Register of Citizens, a list of Assam's residents, is completed with fairness, and for this the state government has been provided with all necessary assistance, including funds. The Home Minister said the central government has also sent parliamentary forces to Assam so that law and order is maintained while completing the huge task of the NRC process. There has been a huge controversy over the exclusion of 40 lakh people from the draft NRC, which included the names of 2.9 crore people out of the total applications of 3.29 crore. The NRC exercise aimed at identifying illegal immigrants in the state that borders Bangladesh was carried out only in Assam, which faced influx of people from Bangladesh since the early 20th century. Mizoram BJP Chief John V. Luna has threatened to dissolve the party's state unit if the national leadership goes ahead with the passage of the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill, harming the interest of the Northeast people. The BJP state unit was formed to safeguard the interest of the people of Mizoram, and safety of the Mizo people are of primary importance, he added. If the central leadership decides to legislate the proposed amendment, the state unit would have no option but to dissolve itself. Meghalaya Chief Minister and National People's Party President Conrad Sangma said his party will decide at an appropriate time on snapping ties with the NDA government over the controversial Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Sangma, along with other northeast-based regional parties, has sought support of several political parties not to vote in favor of the bill if it is tabled in the Rajya Sabha. The bill, which was already passed by the Lok Sabha on January 8, seeks to remove hurdles for eligible migrants from 6 minority groups from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan from getting Indian citizenship. Truck drivers in Mariani, Jorhat have reportedly gone on strike in protest against an alleged assault of a truck driver near Mokokchung town. As a result, truck drivers have stopped ferrying goods along the Mariani-Mokokchung road since February 1st. The blockade was imposed by transporters in Mariani, Jorhat in protest against the assault incident in which a truck driver was allegedly assaulted. According to the sources, the assault occurred on January 31st at New Camp near Mokokchung town. The unidentified driver along with 2 others was reportedly assaulted. Another version of the incident stated that the 3 weeks suspected of involvement in a missing women's case and were beaten by youths while being questioned. Meanwhile, in Tripura, the Supreme Court already has ordered an inquiry on Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Deb's citizenship validity. But opposition CPI-M published a shocking video which has gone viral where Biplab's mother clearly said she came during East Pakistan, present Bangladesh, liberation war, and Biplab's father came much later when Biplab was 9 months pregnant in her womb. Biplab Deb's mother Meena Deb said she came in 1971, whereas Chief Minister Biplab Deb said he came in 1961, which has raised questions. Time for some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, judge breaks NIF, signs death sentence for murder convict. 2-year course run into 4th year. STDCM's demand for ST status. Let Government of India decide Desam to Atsum. Citizenship Amendment Bill to be placed in Rajya Sabha as supplementary bill. Ram Madhav. The People's Chronicle. Manpek announces indefinite street protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Supreme Court wraps center over tardy National Register of Citizens process. Ram Madhav confirms Sitaram's Citizenship Amendment Bill fear. Girl's murder. Gallows from men accused. Lifer for co-accused. Imphal Free Press. Court awards death penalty to man for girlfriend murder. Trial completed in a record time of 20 days. Court loads police team. Funds for the Dolaitavi project allegedly diverted to unapproved works. Manpek declares on-road mass indefinite agitation from tomorrow. Manipur Mail. Coordination march for food sufficiency. Hankalyan. Anti-Citizenship Amendment Bill mass protest from today. BJP Mizoram warns to dissolve BJP on Citizenship Amendment Bill issue.
Before we wrap up the top stories once again. Chief Minister Anne Birain appeals to those spearheading cab protests to do proper research on cab. Protest demonstrations against cab held at various places in Imphal. And 11 political parties from Democratic Manipur Alliance against CAB. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.